In this question, the principal explains to us about acceptance and how it is to be made, acceptance of an offer. Right? Now, acceptance should be made while the offer is still subsisting. Right? Further, the acceptance of an offer results in a concluded contract and the resultant termination of the offer. Also, if a time is prescribed within which the offer is to be accepted, then the offer must be accepted within that prescribed time. Now, over here, this is the important point over here. Now, and if no time is prescribed, then the acceptance must be made within a reasonable time, right? So basically, this is again important point over here. That is, in case no time period has been mentioned, then it should be made within a reasonable time, right? Now let's read the facts. The facts clearly provide that on 1st of November, X, who is a landlord, he offered to sell a particular piece of land for rupees 10 lakh to the three brothers of the neighboring family. Now, the offer was to stand till 10th day of the same month and or earlier for any of the three brothers who could accept it on or before that day. Right. Now, the youngest of the three brothers went to the landlord X on the very next day and accepted his offer. Right. 2 days later, on the 4th of November, the eldest of the three brothers went to the landlord and told him that he was ready to pay rupees 15 lakh for that piece of land. Which of the derivations is correct? In this question, clearly the correct answer is B. That is, X cannot now accept the offer of rupees 15 lakh advance by the elder brother. Now, why is B the correct answer? Right? So B is basically the correct answer because from the principle we get to know that the acceptance could be made till the offer exists. Right? That is, in the first line of the principle, it is clearly given while the offer is still subsisting. Right? Now, there are basically three brothers in this family. And when the youngest brother went to the landlord and he accepted his offer, the result was that a concluded contract was established then and there, right? Now, after this offer fructified into the contract, there remained nothing for the eldest brother to accept, right? If the younger brother had already accepted the offer, and therefore a contract came into existence, right, with the youngest of the three brothers. Therefore, nothing was left for the elder brother to accept. Now, in a situation like this, when one of the three brothers accept the offer, right, as has been clearly mentioned in the given set of facts, a concluded contract comes into effect and the other automatically lapsed with respect to the other brothers, right? The point over here is if the youngest brother accepted the offer, right, then then the contract comes into existence and nothing is left for the elder two brothers to accept, right? That is, it did not remain open to be accepted by any of them as to give rise to a contract with the landlord, right? So basically the contract will be established with the youngest of the three brothers, right? Nothing is left for the elder two brothers to accept, making B the correct answer.